Hi, good afternoon everyone. This is Mohan and I welcome you all to today's webinar. And in today's webinar, we are going to learn how to use Kredily and how to log in, log out, how to apply for leave and how to download your payslips through Kredily. And also there are a lot of exciting stuff that is offered by Kredily for employees' financial well-being. We are going to talk about that as well. But before we start, I would request all of you to download Kredily's mobile application if you have not downloaded already. Please go to Play Store and type in Kredily. You will get this application by the name Kredily Lite, and I request you to download that, install it. You can also refer to everything that I'm explaining on this webinar on your mobile application as well. So let us begin this webinar, and to start with, I would like to explain how an employee can log in and log out using Kredily. As we all know, this is one of the critical features or critical things that an employee has to do because your payroll depends on your attendance. So to log in, just open Kredily's mobile app and click on the web clock-in button, which you can see the top right side. Even in your smartphone, you will be able to see this button in the top. Just hit the button and your login timer will start. This is it. This is all you need to do every day in Kredily. Open the app or come to the web browser, open it and just hit this button. And please do not forget to clock out in the evening while you're leaving or while you're closing your work. Please do not forget to clock out as well, because clocking in, clocking out will impact your salary. Your payroll will be depending on this. So please do clock out every day. Now, so there are circumstances wherein we forget to clock in, even though we have worked, even though we have started to work on time, left office on time. Sometimes we forget to clock in. So in those cases, what we can do is you can always go to your attendance module. First of all, you can look at your entire monthly log and understand when you have logged in, when you have logged out, what is the work duration. Everything can be looked at in your attendance log section. Now, if you forget to clock in any given day, for example, in this case on 27th of November, sorry, 26th of November, I have not clocked in at all. So it says that I am absent. In fact, I'm not present for any day in this month. So it says I'm absent for 26th, 25th, every day. So now if this is the case, I'm going to lose my salary, right? So what I will do is, if I scroll towards the right, I get an option to take an approval. Now this is what you will do every time you log in late or log out early, or you don't log in at all, clock in at all. So in all those cases, you need to come here to the monthly log section, click on get approval and mark your exact timing. Now in this case, I actually clock in at 9 o'clock every day, and I clocked in at 9 o'clock on 26th of November as well, and I clocked out at 7 p.m. in the evening. And I'm going to write my reason. I forgot to clock in. Please approve my request. And send this to your reporting manager. I mean, if you send it, it will automatically go to your reporting manager, and your reporting manager will then take a call whether or not to approve your request. Mostly your reporting manager will be approving this, or if he is rejecting it, he will reject it with a reason so that you know why the rejection. So now please do not forget to do this for every day you have not clocked in the system. So as you can see, I have requested this for an approval. You need to do the same thing for the entire month. And once this is done, the second important thing that you need to do in the system, or one more important thing that you need to do in the system, is to track your leaves. You can see, you can look at how many leaves you have in your balance, how many leaves you can avail, how many leaves can be applied in a month. For that, you can directly go to the leave module from the dashboard. You can do this from your mobile app as well. So as you can see, I have 21 casual leaves in my kitty. I have 15 earned leaves and about 30 sick leaves in my kitty. So what I will do here is, if I want to apply for a leave, I'll just click on apply for leave and I'll select which leave I'm applying for. I'm applying for a sick leave, and add the date. I'm going to take a sick leave today, let's say, or maybe tomorrow. So just type that You can select the date from your uh, browser, from your app as well, and say I'm going to take it the entire day. So the leave start will be first half and the leave end date or end time will be second half. And the reason, or you can write whatever reason you want to write. I'm just going to write it as test and apply this. Now your leave gets applied. Again, your reporting manager will get a notification about the leave application that you have just sent, and he will then approve it or reject it as per your policy and as per a lot of factors that he will be deciding it on. And you will again get a notification as and when your reporting manager acts upon your leave request. So this is how simple it is to apply for a leave and log in, log out in Kredily and mark your attendance in the system as well. And also, one thing I forgot to mention, your attendance will capture your location. So from whichever location you are doing this, the location will be captured and your IP address will also be captured. So be cautious and conscious about it. Your HR administrator will know from where you have logged in. So yeah, this is it. And then the last thing and the most important thing for all of us, for any employee for that matter, is to get your payslips on time. Now we all know payslip is very important and we might need payslips for a lot of factors, and payslips also acts as a proof of your financial thing in a lot of cases, while applying for a loan, while buying something. Your payslip acts as a proof. So you don't have to even go to your HR administrator to get your payslip. You just go to your payroll module from the dashboard. You have your payslip ready to download. So now this is my August month's payroll. If I want, I can download it from right here. My payslip is downloaded. And you can download any month's payslip if you want. Every payslip that has been generated by your organization will be available here to download. And you can also look at your salary structure if you want. You can understand how much is your CTC, your basic, and every other component as well. You can also look at your tax projections and each component for each month. You can do your income tax declaration in Kredily if required. You can look at which bank account has been submitted for your salary. Everything can be looked into and everything can be understood from by just logging into your Kredily account. You use your mobile application or you come to the web browser and log in. It's one and the same. You will be able to do everything that I just explained. So this is everything that you will be doing in Kredily as an employee in your organization. And apart from this, Kredily has also offered a couple of prime features for all Kredily users, and this is exclusive only for Kredily users. So let me explain one by one. So firstly, we have introduced something called as rewards. We can also call this as a gifting option given by Kredily, or gift card option given by Kredily. This is basically a gifting shop, I would say. You can buy coupons from a lot of popular vendors in the market today, like Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, Nykaa, your Z5, Ghana.com, Big Bazaar. A lot of vendors are available. More than 100 vendors are available in Kredily, and they are offering great discounts for all Kredily's users. For example, as you can see here, your Myntra is offering 6% discount on every gift card that you purchase, and there is no minimum order value as well. For example, if I want to buy a Myntra coupon for myself, let's say I want to buy a Myntra coupon of 1000 rupees. So if I have to buy a coupon of 1000 rupees, I will only pay 940 bucks, which is a great deal if you ask me. And there's no festival, there's nothing, but still Kredily is offering this big discount for every users of Kredily. That is why I said this is exclusive for Kredily users. So you get 6% cut on whatever you're going to buy, how much ever you're going to buy. There is no minimum cart value. You buy it for 100 bucks, 50 bucks, 1000 bucks, 10,000 bucks, you will still get the same discount. Okay, 60 rupees discount for a 1000 rupees coupon is a great deal. You can buy this for yourself, or you can send this as a gift to somebody. You just put the person's detail and you can send this as a gift to them. Or Christmas is coming up, maybe in less than a month, you will be playing Secret Santa at your organization. If you want to send a gift card as a Santa to a secret child, In your organization, you can select Secret Santa gift and you can type in your colleague's details and send it to him secretly. Again, you will get the discount. You are going to be benefited by gifting something to your colleagues. Uh, so this is something that I would recommend all of you to check out. You can buy this for yourself, your family members, anybody you want. And it's just not Myntra. A lot of vendors are available, like even Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon, Z5, Nike Shop, Jockey, and a lot of other vendors as well. So please do check out. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. And apart from that, we have also introduced something called as Insta Cash in Kredily. Insta Cash is nothing but a salary advance that is offered by Kredily, or I would also say this is like kind of a short-term loan given by Kredily to all its users. And again, this is also an exclusive feature for only Kredily users. And you know what's the greatest and coolest thing about it? This comes with 0% interest. This comes with zero processing fee and zero conveyance charges, zero everything. So it's like you take 10,000 rupees loan from Kredily and you will also repay only 10,000 rupees. You're not paying even a single rupee extra, given that you are repaying that within 2 months. So isn't that a great deal? I mean, this could come in handy when there's a cash crunch. I mean, all of us go through cash crunches at times. Maybe after 25th, after 30th, if my salary is on the 10th of every month. After 30th, I will definitely go into cash crunch sort of a situation wherein I might need a little bit of help from somebody, and Credly is going to provide that helping hand to you without any extra charge at all. And this again is exclusive for Credly users. No other brokers in the market would give you this. So it's very simple to apply for Instacash as well. All you need to do is just take a selfie, upload your selfie. This is me right now. Just take a selfie and upload it. Just doing it. And upload a PAN card copy. I'm going to upload it from my desktop. So let's say this is my PAN card. I'm just uploading a demi copy of something. And add your Aadhaar card number. Enter the captcha. Oops. Okay, just bear with me for a moment. So let's upload the Aadhaar card again. Sorry, PAN card again. Let's enter the captcha. Sorry, it was typed wrong. Right, hope I get it right this time. Okay, all right. I hope I get this right this time. Just bear with me for a moment. There's some connection issues today. Could be because of that as well, but you get the point. Just upload your PAN card, just add your Aadhaar card number, enter the captcha, and just put basic details of yours like your address, your permanent address, and your temporary address, and you will get an option to apply for Instacash from Kredily, and somebody from Kredily's Instacash team will contact you and help you to understand how this can be repaid and what is the amount that we will be approving you with, depending on your credit score and a lot of other factors. Again, this is a very simple procedure and would hardly take about less than 2 minutes for you to apply for this, and you will almost get an immediate response from Kredily as soon as you apply for a short-term loan or an Instacash. Uh, Again, I would request all of you to check it out. And then you also can buy insurance from Kredily. This again is an exclusive feature for only Kredily users. You have multiple options in insurance, like your daily cash or allowance for hospital expenses, if in case God forbid something happens and you have an option, you cannot go to your office and you're having a loss of pay because you're not attending office every day. In that case, you can get up to 5,000 rupees per day on hospitalization. and this is a very great thing to have for everybody, regardless of how much you earn, how much salary you have an insurance or not. Having this Cash is definitely going to help. You can also buy a family health insurance, an individual insurance from Kredily at just 2548 2,500 rupees for up to a lakh insurance. This is a great deal for Kredily's employees, and this comes with great benefits as well. And I request all of you to check it out as well and understand what features you get. And having an insurance at just 2,000 bucks is definitely the coolest deal that you can get in the market. This is an exclusive deal for Credly. I request all of you to check it out, and do let us know if you have any questions on this. So that's about it. As an employee, you can do all of these things in Credly, and Credly is going to add value to you as an employee, to your finances. Credly is going to be thinking about your financial well-being. Of course, we are here to help in terms of your payroll, in terms of your financial well-being. Credily is always there to serve. Please do contact us if you have any questions. And now, if you have any questions on whatever I have explained so far, please do let me know. Write your questions in the chat section, and I will be happy to take your questions. Looks like there's no questions. I thank all of you for joining this webinar. Thank you. Stay safe.